Feria Multi-faceted Shimmering Permanent Hair Color In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 15,721 ratings and 1126 reviews. 84% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 9% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Love the ultra cool blonde." So I'm a natural blonde who has been coloring their hair 1 to 2 shades lighter for about 3 years now. I've been unable to shake that brassy color even with using purple shampoo from Sephora. Cue this brand. I love it. I'm including before and after pictures. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Now, I'm a walking orange. I'm a loyal customer of L'Oreal. This is the first time I'm trying this color. OMG. It's the worst nightmare ever. It was supposed to be blonde, but instead, I have bright orange hair now. Not sure if I should get another box or dye it darker. I think I should leave this to a professional before I ruin it again. That's it.